Fine. Uh, in this video, we will see the HTTP inbuilt modules, how to set up the local server, and how to handle the browser request, like about us, contact us, uh, that that basics request handling. We will see in this video. Okay, I I'm in my current working folder. I open the VS Code. Uh, mm, right. Actually, I have some codes and I'm just removing it. Now app.js is blank and I'm open the terminal. Okay. Now we will import the HTTP built-in module and create server. We will create the server and we will see the properties of request from the browser and listen properties, port, all these things we will see now. Okay, first thing we need to import the import the HTTP const um, any variable. I put HTTP equal to require of HTTP. Sorry, HTTP. Then I want to show you this some methods. What are the methods available in HTTP? For example, I type HTTP dot client request methods. Many things methods are down. Many things are there. HTTP and create server also will be there. Where it is here, create server. So we will create server now. Const 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 server create server of, will set one callback function. Hmm. Request and response. Okay, request and response you will request. Okay, request comma response. Then handling methods, handling definition. What we do here, mm, mm, is syntax. Okay, actually this packet should be here as per standard. Okay, what I do, I just console the request to show you what are available in request. Okay, I done it. What I do, then I server dot listen to listen the all the request from the browser. So when it is listening, all the request can be processed in this code. If it is stopped, we will get some error. Okay, I'm using the port 5000. Fine. Listen of 5000. Right. And what I do, what it is, where the console, I just reclose it and opening. I terminate terminal. mm, yeah, it's come now. Fine. We'll do ls. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm running node app.js. So it start to listen the request of browsers. Okay, what I do now, I am typing localhost colon 5000 port. Okay, it start to listen, I think. Let's see it where it is. Mm, yes, actually now we write code for console the request. Okay, request object, it is very big object, it has lot of properties. In that we are going to use url, variable argument and method status, whatever we required we can use it. These are the main things majorly we'll use it. Now I'm going to use url property. Okay, right. Now I control C. Sometimes port will be busy. That time what you need to do in console, ISO ISOF space port name. Put the port code. It will show the PID process ID. Then kill those process ID. Then you can run it. Sometimes it will tell the port already in busy. So you can kill that process and you can restart the server. Okay, right. Now what I do, we will handle some page request. Right. Okay, if what I request dot url triple equal to about about else. Okay, but here, we will write the code for response. So request is coming, I'm just writing on response. End is, we are going to end the response with this. It meaning is that, okay, what it is, this is about a speech, right? Okay, right. Here what I do, h1, right, h1 as page not page not found. Okay, right. Now I'm going to access this in browser. I'm going to access the page. This URL URL will get that name, and in this comparison code it will compare and it will send the response. Okay. Now I start the server. Fine. Start to listen. Actually, before it was, while these codes and all FS module, load module, set and all. If you run it, it will show the output. Then that's it. But it is now we created a HTTP server, so it will listen the all request from the browser. Okay, fine. Now what I do, slash about us. Okay, this is about us page. So request handling is working. This property is accessible. We accessed and we are showing it. Okay, or else error, what it is telling, error page not found 404. Okay, fine. What else we will set for home page also. You know how it is, we can set switch case also. For now I'm just using this. Okay, only empty, and it is empty. This is home, this is home, sorry, home page, right, right. restart it. Just I'm pressing Control C multiple times. Okay, restart it. Fine. 404. Fine. What next? Home. Nothing. I put nothing. What we see. This is home page. If I put slash about, it's telling about add one more page called service or gallery. Gallery page. Let's see it. Gallery. Yes. No. No. Why it is? Restart. Need to restart it. Oh. Okay. I pressed Control reset. So it's telling already in use. So what we do now? ISO ISO 5000. Actually, it's not that command. Let's see the history. ISO ISO PI. Okay, this is that command to kill that process. ISO. It will tell the ID node and it's using. So I'm going to kill the both. Kill -9. It won't ignore it if you put -9 and that one. Okay, no such process. Oh, okay, fine. I can going to kill this one. This also Nova. Let's see it. Hmm? Why kill? Oh, PID is here, right? Yeah, yeah. Kill -9. Kill -9. Kill -9. Put. Put. Right. Let's see it. I hope it resolved now. Let me restart it. Yes, it's working now. Okay. Go to the browser and type gallery page. If it is nothing, it will come to home page. That's it. This is a basic HTTP handling. We used some proper URL properties of HTTP module. Sorry, request object and handled some page request. This is it. Next video we will see the event loop. It's a big concept. We will see that. Event loop is synchronous or asynchronous. How the code executing line by line and how some of the codes are offloaded and later it will be um, uh, execute and show the result and that we'll see in this in the next video. Okay. Okay, Control C. Fine. This is just